Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Watch how I make this breakfast. I'm using butter bread, honey ham. I'm using 2 different cheese, pepper jack cheese and American cheese, 2 eggs, and that is gonna be my oil. So this is gonna be really quick and easy and a very short video, I guarantee. So watch how I do it. Stay tuned to the if I have to open my ham. Okay? Alright. Okay, yeah, guys. So I cracked my egg, and this is the season that I use. And I put the pepper jack cheese under the ham that goes on the top. So now I'm going to pour my egg. And pour my egg. Now I'm going to do my bread. I'm sorry about that. I think I should have a bigger pan, but that's okay. I'm just gonna turn it over, kind of base it. Oops, see how you have to be real quick, you guys, because it will, cook. Have to be real quick. Okay, then I'm gonna put my cheese on top. Okay, then I'm gonna flip it. Egg sandwich with ham and cheese, pepper jack cheese. Very easy. A little messy, it ain't straight, but it's okay. Something easy and quick for breakfast, I guarantee. Okay, guys. Flip this, see how I brown my toast here? My bread. That's it. That's how you make it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share your channel with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share your channel with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. If you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. If you did, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alrighty, I'm going to cut it and show you guys how it look inside. Okay? Okay, I put it on a plate. See how they look. Cut it in half. Okay, guys, so that's how I look inside. Now that cheese. That cheese. Alright, I just want to show you something different that is easy to cook for breakfast. Yes, indeed. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next upload video.